don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Spray.
Firstly, I blame our coach. Ngeke uqale ngokunika uMigele khona ngaphandle. You don't start kunika Migele Jane. Kanti ayakhona ngaphandle. Ayikho nto le asamkele nto le.
Yes.
Ungena ufa ucele nge 10 minutes ufa ucele. Usirina bengekho egameni. Unqobo bengekho egameni. Why ngafaka uMatlolo Castillo?
Asazi.
The first half. Why? I blame our coach.
You blame now.
Wona Bram na alifuna ngoga. In that blame say loser.
You're losing that point.
I'm telling you my brother. If we play this, coach will play last season. Beka ulilepo side. Kala ulilepo not to please the game. Kala ulilepo not game.
Yes.
Faku to please phakathi ulilepo la side.
Yes.
Ulilepo faku ball to please the kitchen.
Yes.
Iphela we first attack.
Yes.
From those attack.
Yes.
Ikhathele. Ijosi Kukune. Manje Latina. Kanjani. Ikhathele South Africa. Manje Nabi I blame Nabi.
You blame Nabi?
Yeah, I blame Nabi.
The management yenza ngoNabi.
Next week is your foot. Yeah.
Because of Nabi.
Yeah.
Because of Nabi.
Like this game saka sibeke endlela yakhe. Unqobo ukudala man. Umoje bengekho. Userina bengekho. Abantu abuke bodwa.
Boys,
Castillo game.
boys.
Castillo game.
Ukepa kanjani?
Ufaka ukwinika uMigele khona.
Kanjani?
Hayi.
Ukepa kanjani unqobo? Unqobo uphuma kanjani? Usela.